This is a Pulp Riot specialty and advanced color class. So today we're going to be focusing on Pulp Riot's Interstellar series, the boosters, and the rapid toners. I'm going to be demoing a negative space color melt. I went ahead and prepped half of the head with our final look. While I'm demoing this, we're going to be going through all of the different lines and just kind of breaking everything down and hopefully giving you guys a lot of clarification on how to utilize these in the salon. Specialty colors from the Pulp Riot line. These consist of anything that's not in our normal Faction 8 family, right? So we know we have our basic Faction 8 line, if you will, like our levels 1 through 10, with the tonal families assigned to them. But with Pulp Riot, we added on a ton of other options for us as stylists to utilize behind the chair. Just a ton of different tools that we can use to really create all of these custom works for our clients, right? Thank you so much for hanging out. I had such a good time.